Ayan yung nasa harapan ko, guys. Oh, yan yung mga gamit ko. And this is two sides, guys. Oh.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Ayan na naman ako, guys. Ayan na naman ako. Kaya, let's do, guys, for my makeup look today. Because I'm going somewhere again and again. Kaya, just watch, guys! Makeup look for today. So, I can start again and again, guys, for my makeup tutorial. Just a light makeup, guys. So, first is, I need to put some moisturizer, Vanny Cream. This is paraben-free then, guys. Then, this is for sensitive skin. So, I can use this like it. I buy a big one so I can pump. So first is moisturizer. Ayan na, guys, tapos na ako sa moisturizer. Pwede din siya, all-in-one din siya, guys. Pwede din siya sa hand and moisturizer. So next is our foundation. My foundation, guys, is Almay SPF 40. Kailangan ko mag-SPF, guys, kasi meron akong ano na dito, pekas. So, there's sponge na, guys. Automatic na siya. Press mo lang siya. Next, guys, is foundation from CoverGirl. Nabura na po yung ano niya. Ivory shade. Next is eyebrow. Guys.
Ain't nobody hurts you like it hurts you, but ain't nobody love you like I do.
Ayan yung nasa harapan ko, guys. Oh, yan yung mga gamit ko. And this is two sides, guys. Ayan yung stuff ko, guys. Ayan pa. Dalawa sila. Hindi pa masyadong gamit yung sa ilalim. Gamit na yung sa ibabaw. MG, madami pa yan, guys. Ayan pa. Dito pa. Dito sa drawer. I'm done for my eyebrow, guys. Next is eyeshadow. Eyeshadow, guys. Contour ko siya, guys, ng mas darker lang yan ng konti here. Ito yung nilula ko, and then this one. Yan, guys, light lang. In the other side. Blend mo lang siya sa eyelid crease mo, guys. Light lang. Light makeup lang ako. Next, guys, is eyeliner. All Day Pen. Ini, guys. So I'm almost done, guys. Next is the bronzer on my face. Gusto naman patangusin, guys, kasi matangos na yung ilong ko. Charot! Ang yabang. Diba? Yan. Laki lang yung ilong natin, guys. Tapos ito, guys, mag-blush tayo ng pinaka-light kong blush on. This is L'Oreal too. Yan. Blushing in Rivera ang shade niya. Konti lang, guys, kasi gusto ko nga light lang. Then lipstick tayo, guys. So my favorite color lipstick is Sienna. Yan, mag-form na naman tayo ng Cupid bow. Ilutang natin yung Cupid bow, guys. We go together, better than birds of a feather, you and me. We change the weather. Yeah, I'm feeling here. Syempre, guys, this is matte, kaya I need a lip gloss. So I need to find a lip gloss here. I have LE Colors, but I think this one is must fit for this color. I think I use the Stay Glossy Rimmel Gloss from London. Here is this one, guys, is made in US, but this one I bought this last other day, so much better to use this. Para hindi siya magmamat, guys, kasi ang lang yun na, guys, kailangan yung maglagay ng nakaka-moist sa lips, kasi magda-dry yung lips pag laging nakamat lipstick. So, Rizka, tapos na akong mag-makeup. Yung hair ko, ang hirap. Kasi napaka-habay. Habay na hair. So, i-comb ko na lang yata. This is my nude makeup look, guys. Thank you for watching.